So I'm going to show you how to insert a footer to your worksheet. I know a few people struggled with this on the first task, so I'll show you how to do it now. So if we go right up to top to insert, and then move all the way across, header and footer, it'll take us to the header and footer page. So that's taken us to the header. We can add a header if we like, but what we're going to do is go down to footer. So click on footer and then add none. And then what we do now is write our name. Or try and turn caps off instead. Right, okay, so if we go back to view, so you can see now, right at the end, miss a row, and that's how we add a footer or a page number to. So if we go view, normal, take us back to the normal page. Okay.